Hey guys, welcome to the Sovereign Trader channel. I'm Dor. For those of you that are new to the channel, I'm a trader with around 3 years of experience. Traded many various different type of strategies along the years, whether it be market structure, whether it be market profile, whether it be volume profile, whether it be trend lines and moving averages, footprint. While trying and experimenting with all these strategies, I've always remained and maintained an expertise in price action. And in the last 6 to 8 months, I've been focusing more on classical chart patterns, which I'm incorporating to my price action knowledge. As I said in prior videos, so the classical chart pattern can be the macro, and the price action within that pattern is the micro, and this is where my price action expertise comes along, and the patterns along with the price action knowledge comes together in a positive way. Guys, this is the weekly review video posted mainly on Monday each week. I'm filming it Israel morning time, and I'll publish it, I believe, around an hour and a half before the US market opened. So those of you that want to make sure and prepare yourself and watch the video to make sure that you have the setup, so potential trades. So I'll make sure that you have it. I have it published an hour and a half before the US market opens, so you can go through the video. Okay guys, so each Saturday to Sunday I go through thousands of charts. Once again, it will be US, several US and Canada residuals, which are once again Middle East indices, Bitcoin, Forex majors, minors, Japan, Europe and Australia, and Asia Pacific. Okay, so quite a lot of charts that I go through, and still 3 watch lists. The first one is the long list. It's long, not in a sense of directional long, but because it has the most amount of setups that are found here are setups that has around a week plus for maturing. We have the short list, which it's short because it contains less potential setups. These are setups that are week minus for maturing. Okay, and we have the active list, which are setups that touch the pattern boundary, exceeded it, or reach the entry point. Okay, the entry point according my strategy. In these videos I go through the short and active list. I don't go through the long list for 2 reasons. The long list is too long, and I can reach around 2 hours, hour and a half if I'll go through the long list too. And I wanna give you guys some leeway with enough time to focus and remain I would say focused enough to watch the video and gain something from it. So so that's the first point, and the other point is that the setups that are in the long list are not relevant because they are not yet close to maturing. Once a setup close to the pattern boundary, then I start to look at it in a more in-depth way, okay, and assess it against my and according more precisely according to my trading strategy. Each video, guys, I start off by going through the charts of the S&P, the All Country World Index, which are the benchmarks for me to the general direction of the equities markets. And I'll also go through Bitcoin chart each and every video. I'm a Bitcoiner. I've been following Bitcoin for quite a while, invested in it for several years. So yeah, that's it. I think we can start off. Okay. Looking at all country world index, guys, we can see that there's no way around it. We are in a clear uptrend, okay? Whether it be from here, or if you want to look at the more recent in unquestionable uptrend. What we do need to take into consideration is that, guys, two things. This major weekly high has formed, but not enough time and space has passed, I would say, for this I would say price stalling. Okay, we can't necessarily say that it's gonna be a major weekly high, okay, but what I do want you guys to pay attention to is that I had to make a little pause, guys. So what I want you guys to pay attention is that we had a stall here, okay, price was consolidating a little bit, but price have proceeded much higher since this high, okay, or this price taking a breath, I would say. We are not seeing it here, guys, okay. We are seeing a major high, okay, and then price doesn't exceed much or doesn't continue much higher before it starts again, which means clearly that the buyers are losing power, okay, or are getting, I would say, less aggressive to push prices higher. And this should be some kind of initial indication for us to say, okay, we might be due to a deeper correction, maybe to the mid range of the channel, maybe to the 200 EMA, which confluences with this support in a sense. But it is something that we need to take into consideration, okay. So that's about it. Moreover, last week, guys, we did not manage to close above the highs, okay, which is the minimum of the minimum that I would expect, okay. But once again, it's not, we are still 85% bullish, okay, but we still need to take into consideration some indications that might suggest that price is getting a bit weaker or losing momentum, okay. So this is about the All Country World Index. I'm moving on to the futures of the S&P. Same chart as the S&P, guys. Same can be said here, okay. So and you can notice that these charts are very much alike, okay. Once again, we are having a stall here, long move, long leg up, and then price is stalling again and correcting, moving back up, not far enough, and we are stalling again. And here we can see that we are forming, in a sense, might be some kind of a range, okay. I'm still not calling it a range because I want 4 reversals for range to be considered a range or a rectangle, whatever you want to call it. So 1, 2, this is the third reversal, and I would want to see, it might not necessarily be a reversal down to the lower boundary, because if price is strong enough and we are bullish, we might see some kind of correction to the mid-range, okay, or a bit lower, and then continue higher, okay. But I want to see some kind of significant move from the upper boundary, because at the end of the day I want to see price respecting those boundaries. So same here, guys. We did not manage to close above the highs. Once again, I'm saying we are 80-85% bullish, or even more, because overall we are in a clear uptrend above the 200 EMA. There's no reason to get into panic, but there are indications that we need to take into consideration that are suggesting the loss of momentum of the equity markets. Okay, guys, moving on to Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, I had some kind of quick changing bias, or I would say outlook in the last week and a half. We can see that, guys, we are getting many rejection of this resistant level. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth. Okay, so we have a rectangle here. Okay, by definition. Once again, we can say that we are bearish, guys, because we are uptrending clearly above the 200 EMA. We are a bit, I would say, minimizing or closing the gap with the 200 EMA, but still a price is showing loss of momentum. Okay, so we have several upper weeks. Okay, last week price did not even manage to close above the high of prior week. So we might, guys, go to test the 200 EMA or the lower boundary of the rectangle. If you ask me, I think that we have a correction ahead of us, because price tried to break out here, it tried to break out here, it tried to break out here, did not manage to do so, and this is a clear indication that price is losing momentum. I'm not saying that the bull cycle is over. I think that we have some time to go. I don't think that this cycle will reach as far as many other Bitcoiners are saying. Okay, and I'll make sure that I post a video which is analyzing Bitcoin specifically. Okay, there is a nice chart that I have here, which it's kind of my thesis to Bitcoin cycle, but I leave you with the curiosity, and I'll free time to make a video, I believe, soon. So this is Bitcoin, guys. I think we'll see some kind of correction. Okay, whether it be once again mid-range, whether it be lower boundary, and if we take even deeper to the 200 EMA. Okay, so this is about the markets, guys. Let's start with our watch list. So Broadcom 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth. Okay, price is looking okay. Some kind of hesitation here, guys. I'm not surprised, because as we saw right now in the ES, price has been moving sideways, you can say, in the last 2 months, and specifically in the last 3 weeks we have been moving sideways. So I'm not surprised that classical chart patterns, which are breakout patterns, are not forming in a favorable way price action wise. There are those that do, but at the end of the day, most of them are having a hard time, and it's okay. As a classical chart pattern, or as a breakout trader, whether your strategy be, you need to be aware of the market momentum and the market direction. If the market is getting a little bit, I would say, slower or holding to take a breath and recharge for the next clear uptrend, you need to be aware of that, and you need to trade accordingly. Okay, you might decrease your size a little bit. You might manage trades more aggressively, risk management wise. And either way, if you do that or not, the market will tell you. And the market will tell you by that you will have a row of losing trades. And either way, after a row of losing trades, if you manage risk properly, you will decrease your size. Okay. So whether you want to make it to anticipate it and follow the trend of the market and say, okay, I see things are losing momentum, I'll be a little bit more cautious, or you will trade according to your strategy. You will wait for a row of losses and then say, okay, the market is signaling me that my strategy is a bit off and is not in line with the market, and I'll be more cautious. And it depends, guys. There's no one method that is better than the other. There are traders that trade with tranches, okay? So they are scaling in, so their losses are less than those that go all in, all out, as I do. So it's a good trading insight to take into consideration and pay attention to. Okay, GDS, an ascending triangle, guys. Starting to play with the 200-day EMA after more than a year that we did not do so. We are coming off clear all-time lows. Okay, so we might be charging for an uptrend here. Okay, the stock has been trending down for quite a while. 1, 2. We have only 2 touches and pattern boundary. This, in a sense, can be considered the third. Okay. I want the breakout to be the fourth touch. Okay, and I do believe that we will get fourth touch because we are just meeting the 200-day EMA here. We're probably going to see some kind of rejection and then come again for the breakout. Okay, but overall the confluence or the context of the trade is good. Okay, guys, once again, MAA, an ascending triangle. Okay, you can even lower the pattern boundary a little bit and maybe even take it to this minor high, which sits better. Okay, yep, much better. Also good looking. I like to see ascending triangles that are coming off along a downtrend. Once again, guys, we are starting to play again with the 200-day EMA, closing above it in several weeks, 1, 2, 3 weeks. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3 touches. Okay, so if the breakout will be strong enough, it might be an entry confirmation. So far, the price action preceding the breakout, guys, is looking good. Once again, reminding the analogy of price coming from backstage to on stage. Coming from backstage to on stage, it looks good, it looks confident. Okay, once it gets on stage, we want it to show us confidence in money time too, which means we want it to show us confidence at the breakout, which is the money time. So we want to see strong price action at breakout too. Okay guys, once again, rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 reversals. I will need price to close above this minor swing high, okay, or it can be called a minor weekly swing high. Close above it, okay. We also need to be aware of this weekly SR, okay. Australian stocks here today are on holiday, but an ascending triangle continuation, usually guys in ascending or descending, say right angle triangles are showing as continuation patterns. They show as continuation patterns more frequently, but if they show as reversals, they are as reliable as the continuation version. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4 touches. Okay, price action leading to the breakout is looking good. Okay, we are at all-time highs, which is good, which is okay. We are holding above the 200-day EMA. Price is taking some time to breathe before it's starting to move higher. It's also a good looking pattern. Japanese stock. Let's see the range of this. Yeah, so it's a tight rectangle, guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you ask me, guys, the outlook on this trade is that price will probably move to the downside. Okay, 200-day EMA is starting to flatten or curve. Okay, if you're looking more at the price action within the pattern, which is once again we're looking at the micro for a moment, the buyers does not manage to put clear legs anymore, like this, okay, or like this one, or like this one, or like this move, which is earning, so it can be like an exception, but we do not see that anymore. Okay, you can see that this was the last push on the buyer side, and from then on the sellers are controlling the price action within the pattern. Moreover, if you can go a little bit deeper, you can see that price is below is at the lower half of the pattern. Okay, the lower half is the bearish half. Okay, guys, I will not take short at these uptrending markets. Okay, even though it will break, I'm monitoring this trade since I think it reached here or here. It actually can be moved back to the long list. I will not take short, guys, until we are going down clearly below the 200-day EMA on the markets, and even then I would be cautious. And that's because the corrections in bear markets or in downtrends are very sharp and aggressive, and are not beneficial for trade management. Okay, they can kill trades very easily. Trading longs is my preferability. Okay, but once again, as long as we are not going down below the 200-day EMA in the ES and all country world index, I'm long biased. Once again, another stock that I've been tracking since it reached this point also can be moved to the long list. So far it's looking okay. We'll need to get support around here, okay, at the diagonal line of the ascending triangle. If it will break below it, it will cancel the pattern. Okay, I'm gonna move that. euro pound. Okay guys, this is actually a very good looking breakout, guys. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. We have clear price action leading to the breakout. It's fine that price is stalling a little bit because we had a clear leg down, okay? And after seeing this breakout price action, this is confirming the whole strength idea of this move, okay? Because if we have this strong leg down and this consolidation, and then price was breaking gradually and kind of indecisively, I would say, okay, it's not good. We have a good price action leading to, but a price action breakout is not good. But having that consolidation and then another strong move, it's confirming the strength that we saw here. Why I'm not in this position, guys? I'm not in this position because I want to trade head and shoulders when it's an oasis, okay, when it doesn't have any price action that is preceding it. I'm not saying that there aren't exceptions, but we are just at the beginning of the week, and there is a trade that I'm gonna take today at market open, which I'll share with you later this video. And I want to give markets the chance to provide me with higher quality setups. Okay, therefore I'm not rushing to take the trade. And not only that, guys, I'm limiting myself to around 4 to 5 trades a week, new trades a week, okay, while limiting myself to max of 6-7 open positions. So yeah, just don't rush it. And if you see setup that is half baked or answering not enough of your setup criteria, just leave it, okay? And it's fine to monitor it, but once again, stick to your strategy. Okay guys, now we're reaching to the more interesting part. Some nice setups that are maturing here. So SJ, a good setup that I've been looking for a while. Well-defined rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? All-time highs above 200 AMA, actually nothing much to add here. Okay, just a consolidation probably before continuing up. Price action leading to the breakout is okay. Okay, I wouldn't call it bullish. And I want to see a good breakout price action to make over or back up the bullish lookout. Okay guys, once again, as we mentioned, a continuation, head and shoulders with a rectangle launching pattern, price action preceding the breakout or price action leading to the breakout is bullish clearly. Once again, I would want price to close above the neckline of the head and shoulders to be clear that to be sure that we have clear skies. Okay, CPX guys, this is a position that I'm going to take at market open US today. Okay, so clearly defined rectangle, 1, 2, can say 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful price action leading to the breakout, guys. You can't, it's unquestionable. Okay, clear move up, beautiful hammer here. Okay, at a very good place. Okay guys, this hammer both on the daily and the weekly. Beautiful breakout candle above the minor weekly high. So this is a trade, guys, that I say, okay, I'm stacking the probabilities to my side, I would say, in my favor, more precisely. Coming off a downtrend, starting to close above the 200 AMA, playing with the 200 EMA. Looks good, guys. Looks good. So this about CPX. ACDC closing back within pattern boundary. Okay, I leave it for a bit in the active list. Maybe we'll see another push higher. Okay. T. Good price action leading to the breakout, guys. It's a continuation rectangle of this move. So we are starting an uptrend. Okay, holding above the 200 EMA for quite a while. A good looking setup actually. I'll just want to see strong and decisive breakout price action. Okay, another rectangle, guys. You can call it a continuation rectangle. Okay, we are continuing. Actually, second thought, we have some kind of long consolidation here. So if you're looking big picture, you can say it's a reversal. Okay, if you're looking more recently, you can say it's a continuation of this leg up. Either way, it's good, well defined. 1, 2, 3, 4. Price action leading to the breakout is okay, guys. It's gradual, not so decisive. But once again, as long as price at the money time, at the time of the breakout, is breaking strongly, decisively, and directional, it's fine. Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reversals within. We really need price to break, to close, above this minor weekly high, okay, or major daily high. Price action leading to the breakout is okay. This leg is good looking. This some consolidation is hesitative, and once again, guys, I'm not surprised because as I said, the last 3 weeks in the ES have been sideways. Okay, therefore we are seeing a lot of breakouts or a lot of patterns being hesitative at the breakout. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, SIG continuation, head and shoulders. Price action leading to the breakout, if you're looking at this leg, is okay. Even this leg is okay. Failing to break out, we'll see how price behave. Maybe we'll get another attempt. Okay, guys, I want to touch on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's a rectangle by definition. Very strong move to the breakout. Okay, price action leading to the breakout, but we have a clear 2-bar reversal. As I mentioned in prior video, price has reached all the way to the stage and starting to perform. On the first day, it performs beautifully. Okay, but on the second day, it gets cold knees and it goes off stage. I would even say. Okay, so this is 2-bar reversal. This is not something that you want to see if you enter the position. Okay, strong move, a strong full body bar in your direction and then one opposing your direction. We will probably go back and close beyond the pattern boundary. Getting to the European stocks, guys. Okay, another good looking head and shoulders, which I covered also in prior video. We should be aware of these highs on the left, and this is why we are stalling here. I would want price to close above it for entry confirmation. Overall, the head and shoulder looks good. The duration, of the left shoulder is more or less the same as the right shoulder, which is something that we want to look at. Yep, almost identical in duration, above 200 AMA, clear reversal pattern. Looks very good, honestly, very good. Okay, an ascending triangle, guys. You can delete that for now. Okay, guys, so my mouse is killing me. Okay, so an ascending triangle, guys. One, you can say this is 2 and 3, but I'll actually take it as 2. Like the second, I meant the second test. That might be the third. Okay, so once again, the price leading to the breakout is strong. We are hesitative here. Money time, price is not doing what it's supposed to do. We are at all-time highs. Okay, so prices might be getting a very strong resistance, meeting the all-time highs, not historical but local all-time highs since the last time since 5 years. Okay, this is also something to take into consideration, guys. If you are trading a pattern that is going to break all-time highs and it's visiting all-time highs after a very long time that it didn't, we should be aware that price will get decent resistance there, and it will affect the personality of the breakout. Okay, but once again, guys, the clear signal and the idea that should, in a sense, solve most of your dilemmas about breakouts is that you want to see a clear, full body directional bar to your trade direction, okay, or breakout bar. I meant a clear full body breakout bar. Okay. Once again, I'm not saying that it's 100% success on this. It never will be in anything in trading. Okay, losing is part of the game, and should be accepted as anything else in trading. Okay, but by focusing and trading mainly or only breakout setups that has strong price action preceding the breakout and strong breakout price action, we are stacking the probabilities within our favor. Okay, and this increases the probabilities of success over the long term. We might be taking 4, 6, 7 of these kind of trades and still they will fail, but long enough the strategies should succeed. Okay, because if you are for a moment not complicating things, okay, looking from the length of, say, Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, which want to keep things simple, let's keep things simple for a moment. Okay, a full body bar in the direction of your trade and a strong price action that is preceding the breakout. What they are telling us, what price is telling us in this scenario, is telling us that it is strong, it has momentum, and it probably has the power to succeed the breakout and continue higher. Okay, so we will prefer this price action because we simply know that it means the price indicates and suggests that it has the strength to break out properly. And we will always prefer that on a gradual, hesitative price action preceding the breakout and breakout price action that is hesitative. So this is also something to take into consideration, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going a bit quicker on this because I've covered them in prior video actually. You can say we have a double bottom here, reversal, should be aware of this major weekly high, price action leading to the breakout is okay, some consolidation is fine, especially you always need to look at context guys. If we had such a strong leg, a consolidation sideways is okay, it's a minimal pullback consolidation, it's okay. We want to see strong price action by breakout price action for confirmation. This is a trade that I've actually missed guys, and I'm not gonna chase, but it is a good looking 1, 2. I might have not taken it because it was a third breakout touch, but you can also say that this was the third and this was the fourth. Either way, I just missed the trade and the breakout, so I just let it be and continued monitor it for any case. But once again, guys, price action leading to, in this case, the price action leading to and the breakout price action are combined. Okay, so this is the price action leading to, and this is also actually transitioning to become the breakout price action, which is good looking. Price is holding at the highs for 3 days, which is okay. It's quite good, and even is even positive that price is stalling after such a strong leg for a while, taking a breath and then probably continue higher. Either case, another major weekly swing high that we need to be aware of. An ascending triangle, guys. Okay, price action leading to the breakout, I wouldn't call it a strong or decisive. It is okay. Still, we are not seeing any strong breakout price action. So far, we're seeing some indecisiveness. Not surprising, taking into consideration this major weekly swing high. And then show it's a cap and handle, guys. So I'm starting to add a cap and handle to my strategy. I'll be trading rectangles, right angle triangles, head and shoulders, and cap and handles. Okay, so this is actually a good looking cap and handle, guys. Reversal pattern, reversing this short downtrend, price action leading to, let's say, it's okay. I mean, this strong leg up is favorable. This correction is actually healthy and even requested in a sense. Price action leading to, once again, is okay. I just want to see strong breakout bull bar to confirm all the idea here, okay, of strength. So that's about that. Let's actually see where the 3% is. Yeah, okay, so good. Okay, guys, another rectangle, longer in direction than I usually trade. Okay, 87 bars. I usually trade no more than 40, 45. I would say it's the maximum. But this is another good example of very strong price action leading to the breakout. Once again, if you manage to put a clear breakout candle, I might take the position. Okay, so there is a plus and minus of trading long duration patterns, because the longer price remains in a pattern, the more significant the breakout will be, and the higher the probability that the breakout will continue and be successful. But this is the plus. The minus is that longer patterns have sloppy breakouts. Okay, they usually take more time for the breakout to completely break out, let's say. And this can happen in a sense that price is more hesitative, and we might have some kind of shakeout, so price might break out. Okay, be hesitative here, make a hard retest and close within the pattern boundary, and only then will break out. Okay, something like that. And it makes sense, guys. Okay, because the longer the pattern, the longer the resistance level. Okay, the longer the resistance level, the more significant it is, and the more significant it is, the harder it is to break it. Okay, so this is why we are seeing sloppy price action at breakout price action at longer duration patterns. But once again, as long as price will break out clearly with a decisive breakout candle, I'm fine with it. Okay, it goes according to my trading strategy. Okay, guys, this is an example of a trade that actually adheres my setup criteria: 1, 2, 3, 4, rectangle, all-time highs, clear uptrend above the 200 AMA. But I have problem with the price action. Okay, whether it be the leading price action, the leading breakout price action, or the breakout price action. Okay, guys, this is not what I want to see. And I'm not saying that it won't succeed. It might succeed, and other trade that I took, which has both favorable price action leading to the breakout and breakout price action. But once again, I want to simplify things, and I want to go with setups that price is telling me, "Dor, I'm in your favor," and I'm not seeing it here. Okay, price might surprise, but I'm not here. I'm not trading for surprises. I'm trading for stacking the probabilities in my favor, and by doing that, I'm in a sense making sure that on the long term I have higher chances to become consistently profitable. Which, once again, guys, I mentioned I'm not yet consistently profitable. Okay. Any of you that is trading long enough, the ones that I'm trading are trading 2 to 3 years. If you are consistently profitable, kudos to you. But it takes time. Okay, it takes time until you find yourself the strategy that you are more attracted to, maturing into the process. So yeah, that's about that. Anyways, guys, I don't like this price action. This is why I probably won't take this trade. Okay, guys, and it's a cap and handle. Very good price action leading to the breakout. Failed breakout attempt. Okay, I usually don't like to enter after such an aggressive and failed breakout attempt, because I'll need price to close above this high. Okay, even if price closes above this high, I still have enough of room to profit from the position. Okay, let's say that we are entering here, stop loss at pattern boundary, because we are far enough, it will be a good trade. Okay, so considering the risk reward, it will be okay. But once again, I want clear breakout price action to close above this. This should go, yeah, here. Okay guys, another pattern that I just looked at before we started the video. So we have 1, 2, 3. You can say that this is the fourth. Okay, we've reached to 75% of the range of the pattern, which is quite okay. We do have a significant reversal from the pattern, from the upper boundary. Okay, so by this I mean that I not necessarily want price to reach to the other extreme, because if price is near breakout, it makes sense that buyers will be more aggressive and will prevent price from reaching the extreme. In a sense, it's even favorable that the fourth reversal is not reaching the extreme. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, this is the fourth. Very beautiful price action leading to the breakout. The 3% guys looks too far for me. I might even take the 1.5 or 2% depending on the breakout candle. Okay, we need also to take into consideration that it is a tight, very tight rectangle, so we might expect a double measured price target. Okay, so for a quick practice guys, we have this is the first measured, this will be the second measured. Okay, and if you are taking the position even at the 3%, if you are looking from this lens, price stop loss below pattern boundary, this is our target. Once again guys, it looks very far. We are not saying price will get to it 100%, but we are managing the trade actively. Okay, we might be taken out here, we might be taken out here, we might even be taken out above the measured targets. Okay, I think that 2% is far enough. It's closing above this minor, excuse me, a weekly swing high. We need to be aware of this weekly major swing high, which we will probably get resistance of. Okay, once again, it's another setup that I'm looking at, and it is looking good. Okay, let's skip it that way. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, open positions. Pound CAD looking okay. Strong breakout leading to the breakout. Strong price action leading to the breakout. Decent breakout candle closing above this minor highs. Okay, price is moving sideways, so we are not having a favorable follow through here, but we are not having a failed follow through. Okay, price is taking probably some time. I entered here. Let's say that after several days that price is moving sideways this way, I want to start and monitor it more closely, I would say. Okay, on the first, second day, even third day after breakout, okay, I'm giving price a leeway. But let's say that at the end of this day, I'll start to monitor price more closely. Overall, an ascending continuation price, an ascending right angle triangle, continuation pattern. Overall looks good. Okay. Breakout 1, 2, 3. Okay. NXRT setup that I took on Monday, I think. Yeah, on Monday. Also 3 touches, comes of local lows, breaks and holds above 200-day EMA several weeks. The last time that we did that, guys, was here. Okay, that we managed to or even here to break and hold above. Okay, we never came above the 200-day EMA for 2 years. 2 years, guys. So yep. Price is going back a little bit. I will give it a chance to make a retest and continuing higher. If the retest will fail, and if one more exit signal, according to my strategy, will show up, I'll close the position. But so far it looks good. Okay. So GRVY. So this is a good looking trade, guys. Let's say the ideal scenario, guys. Okay, beautiful price action into the pattern, beautiful breakout price action in an uptrend above 200-day EMA, ascending triangle, clearing the major weekly high, swing high. Overall looks okay. Once it will get to around 60% of the measured price target, which is around here, okay, I will start manage it by trailing ATR, because these kind of trades that are breaking out very strongly usually exceed the measured price target. And once again, guys, I want to take the moment and give credit to Axel Kibar, which I'm taking many of my trading concepts from him. I'm registered, I'm subscribed to his platform Tech Charts. Okay, to any one of you that want to trade classical chart patterns, I would more than recommend to follow him and follow the legendary Peter Brandt. These are two absolutely legends in the sphere of classical chart patterns trading. So yeah, I want to go quickly, guys, over my close positions of the several few weeks, just to see, just to get some sense about the ideas that I'm trying to kind of share with you. So, guys, strong price action into the breakout, hesitative breakout price action. Price is sweeping this high, okay? And I close the position, move the position to pattern boundary and close it here. You can just see how hesitative breakout price action can affect and indicate on the personality of the breakout. Okay, guys, this is a case where the price action leading to and the breakout price action are favorable. But the problem is that I was not aware at the time of entering the position of these highs to the left, okay, or I wasn't aware of their importance. And at this point where price swept those highs and closed back within, I understood that price will probably move lower. Okay, I don't clearly remember how I managed this trade because I entered it on the 15th. No, I entered it probably on the 20th of May. But I do believe that price moved. I had bad follow through. Okay, probably gave price the ability to make a retest. The retest failed, and I closed the position probably somewhere here, I believe. Okay. This is not my stop loss, but not where I closed the trade. AD card, guys. Okay, another very strong price action leading to the breakout, and also very beautiful breakout candle. But once again, price is hesitative. Price is hesitative because on the highs to the left, okay, I closed the position exactly here, guys. Okay, so I gave price several days. It came back strongly, full body bear bar to the pattern boundary, and I said, okay, that's enough. And we can see that price did not continue higher and continue to be hesitative. Okay, guys, same here. I think I entered the position here. So this is, guys, not good price action preceding the breakout. Okay, so this leg is good, favorable, strong, but this is hesitative. This is hesitative. This is hesitative. Okay. I probably entered here, saw that price is not going in my direction. It closed probably at this area. And once again, guys, you can see how the idea of strong move to the breakout and breakout price action, how they are how they can indicate for a favorable breakout, or in the other end, how hesitative breakout or leading price action breakout and breakout price or and hesitative breakout price action can indicate of a weak breakout. This was an exception, guys. Okay, in this case we had a strong breakout into the price action, strong breakout price action, a good follow through, but then price moved back within the pattern boundary. As I said earlier, guys, there is no one size fits all. Okay, but either way, we want to stack probabilities in our direction, in our favor, and to do that, we need to trade price action that looks strong, that has momentum, that suggests the breakout will succeed. Okay. I also, guys, this is a situation where my risk should have been much tighter. Okay, it should have been placed here, my stop loss. mRNA, guys. So this is a situation where we had not that strong breakout price action, leading breakout price action, but a good breakout bar. Okay, hesitative, and I entered around here. Okay, after price in a sense closed at this minor high, price moved up strongly. I managed the position by trailing ATR. Price hesitated, and once again, guys, it is not surprising because the markets in the last several weeks have been sideways moving. Okay, and this affects breakouts, and this is something that we need to take into consideration, and any of you guys that are breakout traders need to pay attention to that. I'm in a position where I wanna get a little bit deeper into cycles analysis, and kind of have the ability to analyze the cycles of the markets more precisely, to make sure that I'm in line with the direction of the market. Okay, so when I see that markets are starting to become a little bit losing momentum, so be a little bit more cautious, and when markets are being clear in a clear trend, I'm not necessarily more aggressive, but trade my strategy as I supposed to. Okay, guys, I've been through this trade in prior videos, not much to add. There's been a mistake on my side here. I took a short position and oversold the stock in an uptrending markets. Okay, strong breakout leading to the price, strong price action leading to the breakout, and strong breakout candle, which are coming together. Actually, once again, here they are combined. Gave price the ability to make a successful retest. It did not do so. Okay, several candles with wicks close the position around here. Okay, another trade that I went through in my prior video, so I'll go very quickly. Once again, the context of this trade, this short was better. Price action leading to here is okay, more hesitative here, strong breakout candle which was compelling and got me into the position at this bar. Price had failed follow through, and came against me, I tightened the stop loss to this and got out. Okay, I actually need to, was it 35, yeah, 95. This is where my stop loss was. So this is another mistake, guys, the taking a short in uptrending, clear uptrending markets. It might work, but once again, by doing that, you are stacking the probabilities against you. So guys, this is it for today. This is it for the opening video of the week. 1 hour and 5 minutes. As much as I want to keep these videos at around 30 to 40 minutes, I do not manage to do so. So I believe 1 hour will be our standard. I wish you a good trading week. Make sure that you adhere your trading strategy. Be patient. Don't stress it. Especially if you are trading breakouts, guys. We are at several weeks that the market is a bit more hesitative and sideways, and we might have a week where we don't have setups at all, or even only 1 or 2. It is okay. Give it time. And that's it. I'll see you on Friday on the weekend weekly review.